And remember this, there are times when you see someone for the last time and don't even realize it. Watch out. You'll never know the true value of the moment until it becomes a memory. Owning your truth can be hard, but not nearly as hard as spending your life running away from it. Don't leave someone to teach them a lesson. Leave because you learned yours. Life is a boxing game. Defeat is not declared when you fall down. It is declared when you refuse to get up. Don't compare yourself to others because no one can play your role better than you. Good things do come to those who wait and suffer. It might take time and be a long and rough road, but it's completely and totally worth it. There is nothing more important to true growth than realizing that you are not the voice of the mind. You are the one who hears it. People only want to hear the good, not the bad. So if you have issues, it'll be hard to find people to confide in. The walls you build to keep things out are also keeping things in.